Where am I? What am I doing here?
Today we are going to do road safety audit. My name is NUREEN NAJIHAH. And my name is HAJARATUL.
My name is MOHD REJAB. My name is RAZEE bin AZMAN.
And my name is MUHAMAD Aliff Luqman. And this is our intersection for our road safety audit.
One of the main concerns in this area is the vehicle that moving at a high speed. This creates a dangerous environment, especially for the pedestrian and also for the road users. The mitigation for this issue is to add speed bump and also paint a yellow line on the road so that the driver will stay alert and slow down the car.
For sport speed, we will use LiDAR gun. First of all, we will turn on the LiDAR gun. Make sure the mode speed was on, and then we will shoot the vehicle. As we can see from here, we can determine the speed of the car. For the visual aids, we can remove the signage or reposition the signage to another area and make it bigger so people can see it more clearly, because as you can see here, it's blocked by the tree and people cannot see it very clearly.
Vulnerable road user such as pedestrians will be needing an infrastructure such as the pedestrian walkway. However, an issue from this intersection of vulnerable road user infrastructure coming from a blockage from a lamppost. This lamppost, as you can see, is blocking the walkway for pedestrians. They need to avoid the lamppost to walk, and because of that, it will lead to the pedestrian walking near the drain or near the road. Thus, to mitigate this issue, we can put railing and also drainage grill to prevent pedestrians from going into the road or falling into the drain.
Okay, for the next consideration that we take is the road surface. As you can see here, the road marking is getting faded, which can confuse the driver itself either to turn right or turn left. So the mitigation that we take is by repaint all the road marking on the road, so it will make the driver more clear which to turn right or turn left. Another consideration that we take is a street light. Some are dim and others are broken, just like this one. So it cause a safety concerns, especially during the night for a road user. So the mitigation for these issues is we change this faulty street light with an LED light. As we know, LED light is more better than this light and give more long lifespan. It's more practical for street lighting condition.
So for our next concern is regarding the landscape. As you can see over there, there is a lot of trees that can obstruct the view for the drivers to stop over here to go to the right. So when there's a lot of trees over there, the drivers can see the vehicles that coming towards here.
Okay, we are here to discuss about the cross section of the road, about the diverging road, about the diverging lane. As you can see, the diverging lane is a bit smaller than the main road lane. So, and then the length of the diverging lane is a bit short. So when there's too many traffic, like during a peak hour, the cars on the diverging lane will disrupt the main road flow. So it is important for us to lengthen the diverging lane and expand the diverging lane a bit, so there's more car. We can fit more car in the diverging lane to turn right.
As you can see, at this curve approaching the intersection, we can see that the road curb is quite dull in color, especially in bad weather and lighting, and will disrupt the road users' view from realizing that they have reached the end of the curvature. Thus, taking the principle of roadside safety feature, we can implement a road curb with colors such as black and yellow to indicate that the curvature is at the end of the road.
The next principle is the alignment. As you can see, the alignment of the curve is quite sharp, and it blocks the road user view of an upcoming traffic approaching the intersection. Hence, the mitigation is by putting a mirror curve so the road user can see the upcoming traffic at the intersection.